Hello. So let's talk about stretching our hamstrings, the muscles on the back of the upper leg. Um, You've probably been doing this a lot throughout your lifetime as a child in gym class, perhaps at a gym or workout class. So I'm just going to guide you through a gentle way to do this to help create length. We're going to keep this movement fluid rather than stalling out. So this is going to be more of a movement rather than just reach and hold situation. So the first thing you need to do is find your sit bones and then get your upper legs in alignment with your hips. Don't bring the legs together. A lot of us were initially taught to have the legs together. Let's try this with your legs actually in alignment. So you're going to have some space between your feet. Okay, get on those sit bones. Let your spine be super, super long. Okay, and really think about lifting yourself upward. Okay, so sometimes it helps to bring the arms up, and then we're going to come forward. All right, and then reach forward, and then sweep your arms back. Allow your spine to curl as you come up. Come back, come forward, roll that spine, and come up. Keeping this nice and easy, nice and open. Okay, be gentle with your body. It already works really hard. Okay, all right, there we are. Last one. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. Remember, consistency over quantity. So I want you to find a few days during the week to do this. Set it on your alarm on your phone. It literally only takes less than a minute. Okay, thank you.